Oh, I knew you would go back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said,
Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and we just finished another commission. This drawing is made for Ramar. He asked me if I could create a fight of two original characters, the sane Ramar against his rival Alpha. These are pretty dope characters with an amazing design, so I said yes. And I think the final result of the drawing is very satisfying. To bring characters in dynamic poses is often not very easy, but I think I managed that well. The coloring also turned out very good. But what I really like the most about this drawing is the line work. It turned out so clean, so I'm very proud of that. And you can watch this video again in 4K quality for an amazing drawing and video experience. A lot of you guys are asking me about how does commissions work. It's very simple. You just have to contact me just like Ramar did, preferably over email or Instagram, link in the info box. Then we talk about your ideas and wishes. If you want me to draw your original characters, I can do that. If you want me to turn you into a sane, I can do that. If you want me to draw your favorite anime character, I can do that. Or if you want me to draw a poster with multiple characters, I can do that too. Just contact me so we can make that happen. If you like this drawing guys, give this video a like. It would be great to reach 1000 likes today. Also comment below what you think of this drawing and who you think would win this fight. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and hit the bell icon to not miss any of my future content. I also got a second YouTube channel where I upload only real-time drawing videos, so you guys have an even easier time to follow my steps. And if you want to get some of my original drawings, check out my online shop. All the links down below in the info box. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.
have no mercy on me.